From view, we select here macros, then you select record macros, and then you give it a name, maybe call it format data. Then where do you want the macros to be stored? You select here. I'll just maintain this workbook, then give it a description that you want. I'll leave mine blank, then okay. So from now onwards, it's going to record every step I'm going to make, and then it will repeat that every time the macros is engaged. So here I'll write equals this times this times this times that. Press enter, then drag down till there, then come here, write equals sum, open the brackets, highlight, close the bracket, press enter. Then I come here on top here, then I press grid lines to remove the grid lines, and then I select this data again like this. I format cells, borders, and then I put borders like that. Okay, yeah, so and then yeah, so that's really what I've done. And so I want it to be repeating those things, what I have done. So that's what macros will be repeating. I can also add something, maybe I could highlight something like that, like maybe highlight those 3 rows, press Ctrl C to copy, then down here select a cell right there, and then paste it. Okay, yeah, so I wanted to do all that. So after I'm finished with the steps I wanted to repeat, I come here and I stop recording. Okay, so once you stop recording, you click here view macros, you find your macros right there. If you run it, it will do that every time. So even if I delete this, if I delete that like that, there's no data, and then I come here, view macros, run macros, it will always update this sheet, okay, and update here. If I come here and I delete this, okay, and I run the macros again, view, run the macros, it will fill this and copy this data every time. So I can make it more appealing. What I do is I come here and insert illustrations, shapes, create a rectangle shape like that, and call it format. Increase font size, yes, like that. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll assign this shape to that macros, so that when I click this shape, it will repeat that. So I'll right click this, then click here, assign macros, then I click the macros I want assigned, then click OK. Okay, now what happens is every time, let me delete this so that it repeats the same procedure. So what happens is when I click format, immediately it does all that. Again format, it repeats the same process over and over. Every time the format is clicked, it repeats the same process. So again format, yeah, so that's it.